The clouds. In a small town lived Mary. She loved watching the fluffy clouds in the sky. One sunny day, she saw a white cloud. It was as soft as cotton candy. Mary said,
"Hi, cloud."
The cloud began to change. It turned into different shapes. First, it looked like a big flower with delicate petals. Mary was amazed. Then, the cloud changed into a turtle, floating gently. Mary giggled and said,
"Now you're a turtle."
The cloud didn't stop there. It became a big ice cream cone. Mary's eyes sparkled with delight. As the day passed, the cloud became a rocket ship. It was ready to blast off into space. Mary's imagination soared. Mary learned that clouds could be anything you imagine. Every day, she looked up at the sky. She was excited to see what new shapes the clouds would take. Mary and the ever-changing clouds became best friends, sharing stories and dreams in the sky. Her days were full of joy as she watched the clouds. She knew there were more adventures in the endless sky.